The Gimlet. It's elegant, classical and refined. It's exact opposite of you after a night out, lying in the alleyway around the back of a kebab shop. Make sure you hit that subscribe button into next week. The ingredient lineup: gin and lime cordial. Please try to make your own lime cordial, it's much better, and I'll leave a link to a recipe in the description below. There is something I really like about gimlets. I can't quite put my finger on it, whether it's the simplicity, the cleanliness. I even like the sort of pale, translucent green colour of them. There's also loads of variations to this drink, so it's definitely something if you're a gin lover to try out. I'm going to kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of a London dry gin to our shaker. Then I'm adding 1 ounce, that's 30ml of the cordial. You can up this to 2 ounces if you like it a bit sweeter and sourer, but that's it, it's 2 ingredients. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. One theory of the gimlet's roots is due to the British Navy and Navy doctor Thomas Gimlet, as scurvy is running rife in the British Navy due to vitamin deficiencies, which you'd find on long voyages. So they'd always be supplied with limes, the sailors would have a rum ration, and the officers would have a gin, and also is why some people call British people like myself limeys. Then double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Then garnish with a lime wheel. The taste test. This is a really clean tasting cocktail. I like it, it works well. And I really do think if you are a massive gin aficionado and you've got a really big collection of gins, you can really showcase your better gins with this drink. I really love the cordial I made. There's just something about it which goes through it all. There's like a nice citrus bite, there's a little bit of sweetness. But yeah, it's really good, I like this drink.